This is John Engelbrecht in Austin. There are strange sounds coming from my set of two homemade voltage-controlled oscillators. They have as an input an arbitrary function generator and an Arduino. We have variable playback rate. The voltage going to one VCO from Arduino is time delayed going into the other one. So there's time delay there, and the mixer, there's a mixer arranged between the two VCO outputs so that we have some indifference frequencies coming through the speaker. This is a pretty strange sound.